Well, good afternoon folks, welcome back on this beautiful sunny day. Absolutely gorgeous. About 17 degrees. This is what it's all about. I love this time of year. Anyway, we're up on heading towards on Chapel Street. Bonnie Street to my left here, sorry. And just come out to the demo site, the Demolition site, the old police station, and see how they're getting on here. So it seems quite quiet at the moment. It's about 1 o'clock in the afternoon. So they'll probably be at their break. Anyway, let's go see what we've seen and give you an update, folks. You can hear Pete's dulcet tones in the background there. Just done a vlog on CJ's Cafe. Had a lovely fried breakfast there, full English. You can get on there. Don't get a word in edgeways. Yeah, had a lovely full English breakfast there the other day, and with Blackpool Bell. Yeah, so highly recommend CJ's Cafe. Just down there, look, folks. Anyway, let's see what's going on here, shall we? Well, looks like they've got much progress since I've been here. I've been here a couple of weeks, so been really busy. And they've look at that, they're torn that right out there, look, folks. Wow.
Yellow twin 636.
Jeez, wow, look at that.
Red line on its own, the number 8.
You hear Pete's dulcet tones.
Red on its own, the number
He's got doing live bingo at the moment.
Yellow twin 232.
Look at that, wow, they're chonked that away, ain't they? Gee, let's go down the other side and have a look.
White 7 and 272.
Wow, look at that, folks.
Yellow 2 and 424.
Okay, CJ's Cafe.
They've certainly chopped that away, haven't they?
Steps are all line,
including the cheapest donuts in the town. Yes, we do the cheapest donuts in the town. Available to the
All this is gone there, look at this.
And your hot drinks are available to
wow.
Okay, see us inside at the rear of Happy Days Amusements.
It's absolutely amazing what they've done here. Looking towards Dale Street, where Mum Burger is. Looking very quiet at the moment. Anyway, let's have a look down here, folks. Look at that, wow, look what I missed. Wow. Look at this, folks. Look at this twisted metal here. One of us. I wonder if that's like part of the lift shaft or something. You never know. Wow.
Yellow 2 and 121.
Try about a fence, folks. All very quiet here at the moment. Bit of a shame. Let's hope we catch some action for you. But they've been chomped away at that corner as well, look, folks. Wow. More twisted metal over there. Yeah, much they've done. Been down here for a while. Wow. That's pretty amazing. The last remain a little bit of grass and oh, it's overgrown. Last little bit of greenery here from all the concrete. Looks like they've been attacking it from all angles, folks. There's 1, 2, another digger up there. We've got 3 diggers here now, or excavators, what they like to call them. Not quite sure what the term is. Anybody know? Bit from a different angle. This is the part where there's no blue netting in the in the fencing. Let's go up to let's go up on the Vern Point, as I call it. See what's going on there. So what, folks, it's warm. I'm not complaining. So I forgot to bring my hat. Never mind. Oh, let's have a look from up here, from the top of the bridge. It's got a central new car park there. Chapel Street. That's leading off to Central Drive. Oh. Hopefully that might be a digger driver back from his lunch. We might get some action today, folks, I do not know. There's a quick look down this way, see what they've been doing. They've been top of that right corner there, they've been chomping away at that as well, look. Wow. There's no overall look at the demolition site from up here. Good vantage point this is. No other YouTubers here today, unless they have been this morning. Take a close look at this corner here. Here's another viewpoint of the demolition. A lot of people say, oh, they're taking their time. But the thing is, look at the area they've got to do. It's enormous. They've got only that, which they've done. Well, they're in April now, nearly into May. They've been on it just like 4 months. It's not an overnight thing, you know. There's a huge area, got all that as well, and the police station itself. I was just talking to a chap, and he said the police station won't take that long to come down because it's all, apparently it's all rotten inside, apparently. Look under there, folks. There's like a possibly a goods entrance or something. I've got all this side as well to do. This bit here shouldn't take longer than feet in front of me here. Not the machinery they've got. Yeah, I'll just show you Blackpool Tower while I'm here. Go to Central Drive over there. The bus station, coach station, National Express, and Coral Island in the foreground there. I'll hang around a little while, but not too long today, unfortunately, folks. I'm just hoping that something might start up very soon. Well, we have some digger action. Maybe he might be just clearing up. I don't know. He's got the bucket thing on the end there, whatever you call it. Scooping. Okay, on let's see what's going on. When they put the other thing on with the jaws, what you call it, the like a giant crocodile jaws, that's when we know they're going to start pulling stuff down. Little bobcats about. I'd love to have a rag on that one. That'd be so cool. There's a little bit of movement, folks. Whether they're going to pull anything down this afternoon, I don't know. It's about 10 to 2 in the afternoon. Filming this on a Thursday afternoon. The Thursday after the bank holiday, on the after Easter. Monday being the bank holiday just gone. So we're a couple of days out of bank holiday after Easter. So they've had a long Easter break with the demolition deal. We'll take a close look, we'll see what's going down there. What's going on down there. Maybe just clearing up the rest of the afternoon. Maybe we'll get a Higgett burger and a drink. The excavator there, folks, has got the jaws on it. What's I call it? Just make out the CCTV cameras up there, folks. Look at that. All he's doing here is just sorting out the wood and the metal. I don't think you get much more action today, folks. You see the red internet wires there, folks. There we go, look. The internet wiring. All right there, folks. All wires and God knows what that is. Might be some kind of alarm system, maybe. Don't really know. Anyway folks, I'm going to leave it there. And it's glorious, beautiful afternoon, beautiful and warm, just how I like it. Hope you like my update on the demolition going on at the old Bonnie Street site here, the old police station. Not much happening at the moment, but you never know. Stand by for more updates. I can't come here every day, obviously, because of the distance. I'll get down here while I can, so hopefully next time they'll be actually demolishing something. But in the meantime, please like and subscribe, hit the notification bell, upload more videos. Thanks for all the new subscribers. Someone's beeping down there. Thank you for all the new subscribers come aboard just lately. And on that note, I shall see you on the next one. Thanks so much for watching. Thank you. Bye for now. Bye. Well, that's me done here. Just to mention, quick footnote there. Quickly mention, bumped into AT Media. I'll give a channel link in the description to his channel. There's some fantastic drone footage as well. Anyway, that's me done. I'll see you soon. Or the next one. I've already said that, haven't I? Bye for now.